What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another beat breakdown video. So today we are back inside the machine, and I want to show you guys how I pretty much made this beat called Flashy using the machine. So if you haven't already, if you do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notification so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right to the beat called Flashy inside the machine. Alright, so the first thing I want to talk about is the melody. It's just a sample here found on the internet, and I have two different parts. So if you've been watching my tutorials, you'll know that I use some patterns to start it from different points, and let me show you what I mean here. So let's go ahead and enter the pattern mode, and I have the alternative pattern starting first here. Now that serves as the intro, and then I have a main pattern or main melody, which is the hook, which goes something like this here. All right, and then from there, it pretty much goes into section A, and then from section A, it goes into like a pre-hook and then a hook. So this beat is actually quite simple. So we're gonna get right into it. And let's go ahead and talk about the drums here. So I'm just gonna mute here, and then we're gonna talk a little bit about the drums. So I'm gonna go over to my drum group, and let's go ahead and focus on the 808 here real quick. Just a simple Z 808, and then I went ahead and did pattern mode, and then I did keyboard mode, and then from there I'm able to basically control different pitches on the machine in keyboard mode. So check this out. So I pretty much played that pattern there. So I just took it the same thing I did in the higher octave. I did the same exact thing in a lower octave. So the higher octave, and then the lower octave. So that's that there. And then I went ahead and also did the clap. I used note repeat for the hi-hat. So just kind of give it some variation. Then I have another hi-hat that serves as an accent track that has different pitches. And then I use an open hat. And then a kick, and then as you can see on slot number 7, I have a parallel compression as well going. So let's go ahead and check out the ideas view here, and we're gonna go to the pattern or the intro 1, and let's go ahead and play it and turn on my melodies here in group A. Make sure that's on there, and let's go ahead and take a listen. So as you can see, the song is very repetitive, and when something's repetitive, you want to be able to kind of switch it up and, add different elements to the track and kind of take away and just kind of surprise the listener. So that's why when I arranged it, I had to, strategically arrange it. Another thing that I went ahead and added in was also a sub bass. You probably won't be able to hear it unless you have headphones on, but we're going to go ahead and take a listen here. And I'm actually using a clip for that one right there. So if I go over to my arrange and I'll do clip, you can actually see the waveform on slot number 3 for the sub bass, and it was just recorded in from my Phantom here. And that just follows the 808. And that's pretty much how I made Flashy inside the machine. So if you guys have any questions, any comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. We out. Peace.